This kind of things where they make man see ya.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carrie, and if it's your first time seeing me, kindly hit that subscription button guys. Road to 2,000 subscribers guys. Na kama uje watch my previous video, kindly do so. Usikwe left behind. So guys, today I'm in the capital city of Kenya. Yeah, so please don't mind the background noise. So guys, I've decided to stay in Nairobi for a while. I might change my mind on going back to Eldoret. I think nimeshapenda this Nairobi life, and who knows, maybe from this month itakwanga my stay in Nairobi, am I living in Nairobi nini. Just stay tuned. So leo guys, niko Troy Hotel with my friends. I'm going to show you. Yeah, najua mnajua, but yeah, stay.
Hi guys.
Akiwa amenikasirikia.
Mimi hata sitaki stories zake by the way. Udem ananiambia ametoka 30 minutes ago. Alafu sijui sasa ni 2 hours later. Mimi hata sitaki.
But the main thing nimefika.
Exactly.
Yeah, hi Raquel.
Hi.
It's
It's Raquel. So, tumeamua sasa ni Nairobi too.
Yeah, we are here guys.
She be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me lah. See me I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I go like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. That's the way that you want me to tell me with this all big.
Guys, the food was a 9 out of 10. Wa imekuwa tamu.
Guess the bill. Really? Guys, pesa. Send money.
Guys, it was a 10 out of 10 for real. Nita visit this place some other time weather iko sunny. Say imekuwa so dull in that sijateka pictures, but I'll be back. Yeah, okay. This was my outfit of the day.
I
I look so happy. And guys, so today I'm going to see off my friend Aki. I'm going to miss you. Oh no, my every year. Relax, but at least I'm here. So
yeah, that's all that matters.
Yeah, have a safe flight. Yeah, you'll stay tuned on her channel ndo ujue her new location. Yeah, safe flight, all the best in your new country. Yeah, go make us proud.
This user has a new address.
I know. Wow, CJ na tuchapa.
It's not and kiss.
Man.
Guys, subscribe. If you watch this video now, subscribe.
And subscribe to our channel. Not to 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Guys, we are at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Oops, nilikuwa nafunga kamera.
It's time.
Oh my. International departures. Mama hapo ngoja. Hi guys, it's your girl Kari, and today I'm at the airport, guys. As you can see, I'm going to show you. I'm going to back to Eldoret, yeah, to see my mama. Stay tuned. Checked in, yeah, waiting for the flight. Time to arrive. Actually nangojea arrive. Ameniweka sana. Mayana? We boarded the flight to Eldoret. Yeah, and guess what? Imagine Raquel is nowhere to be seen. I don't know if I miss this flight or at a manage. We'll just see. Anyways, her seat is here.
I think it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction.
Guys, finally, I'm in Eldoret. Yeah, we just landed. Please imagine Ryle happy make it. So she's coming na flight here 4. Yeah. Next time to travel na yeye. Yeah, okay, I guess I'm going to end my vlog over here. Yeah. Please msisahau kusubscribe and watch my previous videos ndio kwe updated.